I'm gonna show you 3 ingredient snack recipe number 2, that is easy crispy rings. This is also on the go snack recipe which you can store for few weeks, just like my previous snack recipe. If you haven't seen it, I have put a link in the description box down below. You can go and check out. So let's see how to make these easy crispy rings. Super easy crispy rings are ready. If you want to try the sweet version of these rings, you just need to make the sugar syrup. But it should be little thicker than the sugar syrup you make for usual gulab jamuns. Then you put these rings into the sugar syrup, and after cooling down, the rings will be all coated with sugar crystals. And then you can enjoy the sweet crispy rings. So don't forget to give it a try. I like receiving your feedbacks. So let me know which version you liked it. Before that, subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you later. Bye bye.